Hey guys, so we have a quick unboxing and review of the Pixel Stand. Now this is a wireless charger for the Google Pixel 3. And it also works a lot like a Google Home. Alright, so let's open it. Alright, so we got here the Pixel Stand. And your manuals. Wall adapter. Type-C. And USB Type-C cable. Alright guys, so I'll use it for some time and I'll give my thoughts on it. Alright guys, now for my thoughts on the Pixel Stand. So you see here we have a screensaver. So these are my Instagram photos, but you can put whatever you want. Okay, so brief look at the stand. So to some personal thoughts, it's pretty nice. Oops. Definitely pretty nice looking. So at the bottom you have a bit of rubber here. So yeah, it doesn't move that easily. And of course it's pretty thin and slick looking. Now first and foremost, this is a wireless charger. So it will work with any phone that has wireless charging. So for example, we have a Samsung. But of course with the Pixel 3 there's a lot more features. Hey Google, play Feel Good by MBB.
Sure, playing the album Feel Good on Google Play Music.
And you see we do have the controls right here. Or we could say, okay Google, volume up.
Alright.
Now the volume is coming out of the speakers on it. So it's not quite as good quality as Google Home. Hey Google, play Phone Battles on YouTube.
Okay, here's Phone Battles on YouTube.
So we have one of my slow motion videos there. Hey Google, tell me tech news.
Here's the latest technology news. From NPR Technology at 5:51 p.m. yesterday.
Let's dig deeper now into how some of these apps are sharing users' data without their knowledge. Laura mentioned the Wall Street Journal just there. It recently published another story headlined, "You Give Personal."
Stop. So one difference between this and a Google Home, for example, is the mic does not pick up as much stuff. So if I'm across the room, for example, hey Google, tell me tech news.
Here's the latest technology news. Resuming NPR Technology at 5:51 p.m. yesterday.
Hey Google,
Let's
stop. So it's still pretty good, but especially when it's playing noise, the mic doesn't work as well. Hey Google, tell me the weather.
Right now in New York it's 35 and partly cloudy. Today, there'll be snow with a forecasted high of 36 and a low of 28.
Now, of course, you also have some on-screen controls here. So what's nice about it too is It's pretty hard to knock over. Nice support for it. And it also works with a case. Now, there are some downsides to it. So, for example, it is supposed to have pretty fast charging, and for the most part, it does work. But there are a lot of times I put it on and it does slow charge. So, yeah, I mean, that's pretty annoying because, you know, the point of it is supposed to be a fast charger. Also, the price is pretty expensive at 80 bucks. I wouldn't recommend it for 80, but if you can get it for a good deal, like 40, then I would. Now, the stand also has other cool features like sunrise alarm. So, for example, the screen gets brighter as you wake up. Hey, Google. When's the next St. John's game?
St. John's next game is today at 6:30 p.m. when they will be playing Xavier.
Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. Overall, guys, I think it's not worth 80 bucks. If you can get it for cheaper, like 40 bucks, then I think it's a pretty decent deal. So yeah, guys, I know the stand does get a lot of pushback because of the price, but overall it is definitely pretty unique, and for the most part I think it works pretty well. Alright everyone, so as always, thanks for watching, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions.